Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how to bring a touch of romantic summer charm into your home, inspired by the timeless interiors seen in Nancy Meyers' beloved films. Her signature style is warm, elegant, and inviting, the kind of home that feels lived in, yet beautifully put together. Let's take a look at 15 easy ways to bring that same feeling into your space this summer. Soft, neutral color palettes. Start with calm shades of white, cream, and beige to set a peaceful, summer-ready tone throughout your home. Comfortable, slip-covered seating. Add casual elegance with sofas and chairs in light, relaxed fabrics. They're cozy, classic, and perfect for summer lounging. Open shelving with everyday items. Let your everyday dishes, glassware, and cookbooks be part of the decor. Keep things practical and personal. Fresh flowers in simple vases. A few stems of summer flowers in clear or ceramic vases add freshness and beauty without feeling overdone. Woven and natural rugs. Rugs made of jute, cotton, or other natural fibers give the space texture and an effortless charm. Layered lighting. Use a mix of table lamps, wall sconces, and overhead lights to create a soft, welcoming atmosphere in the evenings. A bright, functional kitchen. A clean and well-lit kitchen with timeless touches, like white cabinets or soft-colored tile, can make summer cooking feel like a joy. A cozy reading nook. A comfortable chair by the window, a small table, and a reading lamp create a peaceful spot to relax on warm afternoons. Wicker, rattan, and light wood accents. These textures bring in a natural summer feel, whether through baskets, side tables, or seating pieces. Simple framed art or family photos. Keep your walls calm and intentional. A few well-chosen pieces add personality while staying understated. An organized and charming pantry. Glass jars, simple baskets, and open shelves make storage both functional and beautiful. Inviting outdoor corners. Even a small porch or patio can become a peaceful summer retreat with a few comfy chairs and some soft cushions. Light and airy curtains. Choose fabrics that let natural light in while keeping the space soft and private. Layered throws and pillows. Neutral throws and cushions in linen or cotton add comfort without cluttering the space. Define spaces with open layouts. Use furniture placement and rugs to gently separate areas while keeping the home feeling open and breathable. That's it for today's tour of romantic summer touches for your home. With just a few simple changes, you can create a space that feels easy, timeless, and full of charm, just like the homes we admire in classic films. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more calm and inspiring home decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.